How to cancel Lightroom subscription. Let's get started. Launch your settings. At the very top, you're going to find your Apple ID. Click on it. Now here you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of subscriptions. Once you're in this page here, you're going to find different sections as active subscription, expired subscription. Here towards the section of active subscription, open it. And over there, you're going to find the list of active subscriptions. You'll also see the option of Lightroom. You have to click on that option. After you click on that option, at the bottom right of it, you're going to see the option of cancel subscription. Click on that option. You will get the pop-up cancel subscription. Click on cancel and just with that, you have canceled the subscription for Lightroom. Now you won't be charged anymore, and the great thing is you can carry on using the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the Lightroom app or Lightroom account will not cancel your subscription, and subscriptions renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily cancel Lightroom subscription. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.